Kakagulo sila. Pinoy henyo na kasi.
Eto na si Saida, ang ating
Kaya sila
stewardess.
nagkagulo. Nandito si Stewardess Saida. What's that?
It's plain kuchinta, sir.
Kuchinta.
Oh, sure, kuchinta. Malambot?
Yes, sir. May kuchinta is malambot.
Is it malata?
It's malata.
Is it sweet?
It's sweet.
Delicious?
May kuchinta is delicious.
Clean?
It's clean. I washed it.
But there's no budbud, huh?
Yeah. No shaved.
No shavings. No shavings. Coconut shavings. You also shave the coconut? Okay.
You shave later.
Next
so-
time you shave the coconut. And
Yeah.
so we have budbud.